Building is strength with a push-up challenge. Let's find our way to create those muscles on our upper body, on our core, on our legs. This quick push-up challenge is going to get you toned, lose that belly fat, and create more stamina for whatever you need to do. Hop on the mat. Come into your tabletop. Few breaths here. Inhale, cow pose. Drop the belly down. Exhale, cat. Tuck the tailbone under. Push the floor away from you. Bring your head onto the earth. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, are you ready for the push-up challenge? Let's do this. Walk your hands towards the top of your mat and find a 30-degree angle on your knees and the floor. You are not here, you are with your hands, top of the mat, and your shoulders aligned with your wrist. Rotate your triceps towards the front of the room and engaging abdominal walls, pressing your navel in. I like to space out my hands a little bit more. Sometimes it's more difficult, but you can do it. Let's do it. And then keeping your elbows towards the back of the room, pointing towards the back of the room, lower to the place you feel comfortable, and bring yourself back. And lower, and back. And once more. We'll do it for 2 more. Lower as much as you feel comfortable in, and lower. Come back up, rest in child's pose. Make fists with your hands. Massage your wrists. We're going for 2 more sets. Cool? Let's do it. Come back into your original position. Making sure you tuck your tailbone under. Engage abdominal walls. Press your elbows towards the back of the room and lower. Exhale, lower. Inhale, rise. Exhale. One more. And once again, final one. Come back up. Rest in child's pose. How are you doing? I'm so proud of you. This is hard. As you become stronger, lifting your knees off the ground will be much easier. I promise you. Feel the fire you are getting into your body right now. Final challenge. Are you ready? Let's do this. Come back to the original position. Feel your resolve. Tell yourself, I can do this. And inhale, exhale, lower, and lift. Lower, lift. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Don't give up on me. Lift. Child's pose. You stay here for as long as you like. Give yourself a hug if you are lifting, if you are releasing the pose. Make sure you congratulate yourself. This is very hard, and you are a champ for trying. Keep coming back to this video, and before you realize, you will be so strong. I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow on the mat.